My name is Steve Tiso. We're at Apple Ridge Farms in Camino, California, and we're an agritourism farm. We open up our ranch to customers that come from the Sacramento region, and they come here to have a family experience. Here at the ranch, we offer barbecue, we have pie shop, we have country store, apple barn, hay maze, pumpkin patch, a nature trail, beautiful with flowers right now in full bloom, and you pick apples for the first time this season. After the trees are hand harvested, they go to a dormant state. They prepare for winter, and then in the spring we prune the trees and fertilize them and then get ready for the next season. Some of the different varieties here at Apple Ridge Farms are the Braeburn apple, the Arkansas Black, that is a later variety, a beautiful apple. It's a jewel-toned color. People that visit Apple Ridge Farms should definitely go on our nature trail and have a slice of pie or apple cider donuts.